Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this Gigi Hadid's Met Gala look. I created a post in my channel and I wanted to know which Met Gala looks you want me to recreate, and so many of you guys wanted me to do Alia Bhatt and Gigi Hadid's look. It was like 50-50. I also did the Alia Bhatt look in my channel. It's in the live section, so go ahead and check it out. And now let's get started with the video. So before we start with the makeup, I want to show you the face wash and the serum that I have been using recently. Acne is a common skin issue that can be caused by hormonal changes, pollution, and an unhealthy lifestyle. But don't worry, because I have found a solution that can help you achieve clear and acne-free skin. Switch to the DermaCo 1% salicylic acid gel face wash for better acne control. It contains witch hazel and willow bark that deeply penetrate your pores to eliminate acne-causing bacteria and impurities. And the DermaCo 2% salicylic acid serum is a multitasking formulation that can treat acne, unclog pores, and prevent skin damage. The combination of the 2% salicylic acid and witch hazel exfoliates the walls of your pores to prevent the appearance of whiteheads and blackheads. By eliminating sebum from your pores, it eventually stops the formation of acne. After cleansing your face with the face wash, apply 3 to 5 drops of the serum on your face and neck area. Massage gently until the serum gets absorbed. For visible results in 3 to 4 weeks, use this every day. All products by the DermaCo are fragrance-free. By the way, every time you buy from them, DermaCo will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. Here's my coupon code SUSH2023 to get 20% off, and these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon, and Flipkart. I'll mention all the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And now let's get started with the video. Okay guys, now it's time for the makeup look. So first of all, we're gonna start with the primer. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Primer. I'll link everything in the description box, so check it out. And just take it and apply it on my skin. This will just make my skin look very glowy. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the foundation, and the foundation I'm gonna apply is Beauty. This is in the shade medium, and apply it all over my face. It's a great foundation. It's actually a medium to full coverage foundation for me. So done with the foundation, the coverage looks beautiful. And now I'm going to conceal my under eye area. I am going to use 2 concealers today. One is the Forever 52 concealer and the other one is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. I love the Forever 52 concealer. This is in the shade COV005. It's got a really good coverage. I'm going to mix the Swiss Beauty concealer with this one. In Swiss Beauty, I'm in shade number 4. And you can see it's got such a beautiful coverage and just hides my under eye, you know, the dark circles that I have, and it just feels like I don't have it anymore. For the powder, I'm going to use the Forever 52 loose powder. I mean, I love this powder. It's got such a great coverage. So I'm just going to dip my damp beauty blender in it and apply it under my eyes. Just like that, and let it set for 30 seconds. And 30 seconds are over. Now I am going to blend it with the beauty blender. Before I move on to the eyes, I want to do my eyebrows, and this is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil, and I'm just going to fill in the gaps. I'm not following any shape, I'm just following the shape of my natural eyebrows. I'm not trying to make the eyebrows like Gigi's. For my eyes, I'm just going to take the Forever 52 Professional eyeshadow palette. This is a very pretty eyeshadow palette. It's got 15 eyeshadow colors in it. I'm going to take this dark brown grayish shade and put it on the crease of my eyes. I'm using a PAC 393 brush, and I'm just gonna pick this shade. If you have this shade, then well and good. Otherwise, you can try using a very, very cool dark brown. And I'm just gonna pick it up and apply it in the crease of my eyes. I am going to do the same to the other eye. For my eyelids, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this shade. This is a very pretty silver shade, and it's got a little hint of pink in it, but mostly it's not visible. So I'm just going to use my fingers, pick up the color, and apply it all. Ooh, wow. And I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. And I'm not taking it above the crease area. I'm just keeping it below the crease area. Now you may pack the color as much as you want, but I'm going to stop right there. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the same grayish dark brown shade and apply it on my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to pick up this shade and apply it on my lower lash line. And I'm not gonna bring it down too much because her lower lash line is pretty clean. For the eyeliner, I'm going to take the Maybelline Line Tattoo, and I'm just going to apply it very, very close to my upper lash line. Well, this is the toughest part for me, so I'm just not going to talk and concentrate on just the application. I'm going to take this black from the same Forever 52 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this tan number 5 brush. This has got a flat head, and now I'm just going to cheat a little. I'm just going to extend my wing a little, just like that. Just try and stamp and extend it. Okay, so I'm done for now. Let this be. I'll add false lashes and then see if I need to extend it a little bit. I will. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Max Factor X Divine Lashes waterproof mascara. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara, but we're anyway gonna use falsies. Done with the mascara, not applying any on my lower lash line. I think she has a little bit of tiny pearls going on under her lower lash line, but I don't have pearl. I tried to find stone bindis, but I still didn't get the stone bindis too, so I just thought of using the silver that I applied on my eyelids, and I'll just dot it on my lower lash line. If you want, you can totally skip this step. So I think just a little bit of white works. She also has some white going on her inner corners, and just extending it a little bit. She also has the eyeliner going on her lower lash line, like just like that in the inner corners. For the lashes, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect eyelashes. This is the first time I'm going to try it. I'm just going to put some glue on the lashes and let it dry a little bit till the time we're going to do our contour and blush. I'm going to use the Sugar Contour D4's palette. This is in the shade Subtle Summit, and it's got some beautiful shades: the contour, the highlighter, and the blush. She's got like really nice contoured face. I'm just gonna contour the nose a little bit and my jawline. This is a beautiful blush. It's like a dusty rose with a little hint of brown in it. And apply a little bit on the bridge of my nose too, just a tiny bit. Oh, the eyelashes are really pretty. They look really, really pretty. You can see a little bit of glue, but you can always correct it by applying some eyeliner on top. The eyelashes are amazing. They're just for $129. This is in the shade Herb. Like, I can apply this. This is the Lime Crime one. It's beautiful. Or I can also use this Nika lipstick. This is in the shade Avocado Toast, and it's got a similar it's a similar brown. I think this will be too dark for me, so I'll go with the Nika one, and I'll just apply it all over my lips. Oh my god, this shade is gorgeous. This is Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick. This is in the shade Sunny Randall number 27, and this is a gorgeous, gorgeous peach shade, and I'm gonna apply it in the middle of my lips. We've got a similar shade that she's wearing. I'm gonna use the same sugar palette, and I'm gonna pick up the highlighter and apply it. So I'm just gonna take this highlighter and apply it on my cheekbones, middle of my forehead, bridge of my nose, and chin. I think I'm just gonna keep my hair open. When you're recreating a look, or when you're getting inspired from a look, it does not mean that you have to do the exact carbon copy of that look. It's an inspiration, and you can just give your own twist to it. Alright guys, so that is it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, and comment, and please subscribe. Just comment down below which celebrity inspired makeup look you want me to do next. Check out the Met Gala Alia Bhatt look, which I did live, and it's there in my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.